Hi, Gabby. Tell your cousins what you're eating. Are you eating plantains? Gabby? Are you eating plantains? Say hi, cousins. Excuse me, I can't talk, but I'm eating my plantains and chuletas and pork chops. And I love them. Gabby, do you like your plantains? See, you like them? Your papa? Oh. Oh. One at a time. ¿Está rico? Mama, one at a time. You still have something in your mouth. Say bye. I'm gonna eat. Say bye. Bye. I'll see you later.